What's up? Today we are doing an unboxing video, and today we are unboxing the Speed Cube. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so we're just about to unbox it now. Oh yeah. Inside. Okay, put that aside. So this is what it is. I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I haven't even seen it. Okay. I like the boxing. I'm gonna keep this. I love this. Okay. Open up. Don't care about the instructions. Yikes. Look at this. Yellow side, blue, red, orange, green, white. Boom! I like the box. I'll just throw that over there. So this is what I'll tell you guys. Do you guys hear? Look, listen. Hear that sound? I'm not sure what it is. So Speed Cube is basically, if you don't know what a Speed Cube is, this is what it is. It's a Rubik's Cube with different colors to it, and you can like use it really fast. It's a fast Rubik's Cube basically. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment, subscribe, and like.